If you can see your car in your side mirrors, then you're doing it all wrong. Hey there, thanks for tuning in. We'd like to talk to you about how to properly adjust your side rear view mirrors to give you the best visibility around your car. First, while sitting in the driver's seat, lean to the left and look through your mirror. Adjust the mirror so you just see the side of your car, and then go a little further until it disappears. Now for the right mirror, lean towards the center of the car and do the same thing to the right mirror. Push it out until the car just slightly disappears. Most everyone adjusts this mirror correctly. Make sure you can see the full view of your rear window.